Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video I will talk about Google Play Points diamond level. And now here you can see this is my United States account and I am in silver level. And if I go to the levels, here you can see bronze, silver, gold, platinum. There is no diamond level available. Okay, now in this video I will talk about Google Play Points diamond level. Now here you can see this is my Korean account, and in this account now I am in bronze level and I have 130 play points. Okay, now if I go to the levels, here you can see this is the bronze, and next here is silver, and then gold, then platinum, and then here you can see the diamond level. Okay, now I will talk about this diamond level. Okay, and here you can see this is the maximum level you can go in play points, and this is not available in United States account, this is available in Korean account. Okay, now let's talk about this diamond level. Okay, and it's very tough to reach this level. Okay, you need 15,000 play points to reach this level. Okay, now let's talk about the benefits of this level. Here you can see 2 play points for every 1000 on spent. If you spend 1000 on, you will get 2 play points. Okay, and here you can see diamond weekly prizes. Come back every week to win up to 1000 points. Okay, every week you will get up to 1000 points. Okay, and here you can see then premium support, get fastest responses and dedicated support agents. Okay, so these are the benefits of diamond level. Okay, and this is the diamond level, the maximum level you can go in play points. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Okay, and subscribe my channel for interesting videos like this. Bye, see you guys in the next video.